Hey everyone, what's going on? Greg here again from Team Blast. I'm in Microsoft Bing and Incognito, and I like to use this tool to find out different keywords to go after for my clients. Let's use an example. How about we do business software for, and then it automatically auto completes small business quality audit, quality control metrics, assurance, reporting standards. There's so many things that pop up. What I like to do next is so I'm going to get rid of small business and hit the letter A. So now you have accounting. Let's go to, random letter out. Let's go to M. So you have Mac. Let's go to P, plumbers, etc. I really like to use Bing here because a lot of times we all use SEMrush or Ahrefs or even Google itself to come up with the keywords we want to go after. But really, using Bing is an additional search engine that also powers Bing, AOL, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, and also has a partnership with OpenAI. So there's probably some data feeding in there. This is a great way though. So there's no additional cost you have to spend to now get Bing keyword research. But you can actually use Bing's tool and use the auto suggest because Bing handles billions of queries. Their logic is showing actually what people search for next. So actually, this tells you if you go after these keywords, it's a great way to kind of capture more intent. Let's look at one more search. Let's do it like an e-commerce one. So I'll do women's shoes for, and then here's everything that pop up. Again, let's do the same thing. Let's go to the letter F. So we got F. Go to G for gym, H, and then heel pain, etc. Again, if I was in charge of an e-commerce brand for women's shoes or even just shoes in general, again, you could be creating dedicated landing pages for all this. So for heel pain, for high arches, for heel spurs, for high instep, for hiking, for all these different type of intent keywords. You can even write blog posts too, but this is just a great way to kind of do that additional keyword research and say, okay, like we're so focused on Ahrefs, we're so focused on SEMrush. Let me see what Bing is showing because again, Bing powers Bing, AOL, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, Ecosia, several search partners. Obviously, the partnership with ChatGPT and OpenAI, and then obviously Copilot itself is also being used. So there's a lot of ways to really come up with this research. And one final tip: you don't also have to use Bing. Again, if you want to go to Yahoo, you can do the same thing. I'm going to type in this right now: women's shoes for, and this is the same thing. It's going to pop up. It's basically the same information that Bing has because it's funneling in all the organic. So again, you can use Bing, you can use Yahoo, etc.